Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes with your iPhone. By default, this new feature is enabled in all iOS 11 devices. But if for some reason your camera doesn't read QR codes after the update or you have an older version of iOS, follow this video. Open the Settings app from your home screen. Scroll down and tap on Camera. Then, find Scan QR codes and enable it by making sure the switch is green. And that's it. Now, you're ready to scan your QR codes. Of course, you can also disable this feature at any time. To scan QR codes with your iPhone camera, open the camera app by either swiping to the left from the lock screen or tapping on its icon from your home screen. Hold your device steady for 2 to 3 seconds towards the QR code you want to scan. Then, click on the notification to open the content of the QR code. Depending on the type of QR code scanned, you will be prompted with a different action. The third-party QR code reader apps that I recommend is QR Reader for iPhone, QR Code Reader and QR Scanner, then QR Code Reader and Barcode Scanner. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.